Hi. We're in the same slimatory and we still have all our same stuff.
Look,
Slime's the same stuff.
except we have a new slide.
And we're gonna be making a behind the scenes. No, that's for our next video. That's a sneak peek. And I did a mistake as soon as the video stopped. And now it's peach slime. I mixed my yellow and my red slime together and now it's peach slime.
Look at this. I wish you guys could just touch it and feel it.
So satisfyingly squishy.
Guys, oh my god, I just found out that these are squishy slimes. I just looked it up. And these are called squishy slimes. So if you hold them into the ball, you'll be able to like squish it. It'll feel like you'll be able to squish them. Oh my god, that works.
Let me try. I didn't even know about squishy slime. Thanks for looking it up.
Welcome.
I can't roll mine up into a ball.
Sorry.
It's too big.
Okay, then you can stay just like that. Just
Fine.
squish it. Okay, like that. Squish it.
Oh my gosh, you're right.
It feels better if like you dip in stuff. Look, this one's bad. It's a worm! It's a worm! It's a slime worm.
Weird behind the scenes video.
Oh
I know
my
this
gosh, guys! I just dropped it and I landed in.
I know this was so quick, but I just really wanted to show you how. Yeah. Okay, bye. Subscribe, blog.